Damn it. I'm just too big. I just need a little bit more. I like my Porsche. I have a 67 Porsche, and they're made for tall, thin Germans, not short, fat Americans. But this is an American Firebird, so it's set up right. But I need a little bit more room because in the Porsche world, steering wheel should touch your wrist right there, and well, it sits to here on me. So I need to move the seat back, and I got an idea how we can do this, and it won't cost us but a few bucks, and it's super quick and easy to do. So with that, I'm going to shut it up and get to wrenching on this week's edition of Firebird Fridays. I gotta get out of this goddamn thing. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, we need to get those installed. Whoosh. All right, so went online. I'll put a link down below. This was off of eBay where I picked these up. And again, they're not sponsoring or anything like that. Wish they would because they had some pretty cool stuff. But let's cut this open. Remember, always gotta save your receipts. Tax time. Okay, with that. Oh, gave us a sticker. Non-promotional item. If you'd like to promote us, call me. I'd like to set you up with some promotions on that. So, with that, well, that crap out of the way, this is what we're dealing with right here. And cellophane. Okay, all right. Well, undo all this here. Get out, off. All right. Looks like we have 4 of these. Looks like they have a threaded. Yep, not going to work there, but right here. So this is how it's going to work. We're going to put these in the car. So obviously we're facing the front of the car here because we're on the back. Set these down in this hole here. Tighten it down to the frame, or to the floorboard, and then we'll go and put the seats in. We'll put them right there. So that's how that works. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, 3 and 4. So I guess now we need to unbolt that seat, get that seat out, put these in, put the seat back in, and done. Let's go. Here's our seat, and it's all the way back. And oh, Jonathan, damn it. Another damn can from Jonathan over at Vinyl Village Garage. Okay, let's get in there and we'll take these bolts off. We'll pull this seat out. Okay, so here's our first one. Let's see what that is. Thinking a ½ inch. Thinking ½ inch. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And of course, you can't. Of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Try one of these. Oh, look. Okay. All right. Oh, come on, Rick. Wow. Hopefully the other 3 are not as crazy as this, but there you go. That's 1 of 4. Let's do the one over there now. All right, let's get this one. Okay, front 2 bolts are out. Let's move the seat forward. We'll get those back ones. Right here's our seat lever. So we'll hold that in and we'll push this girl forward. About as far as she's gonna go. And we'll, right here, get that to come up. Now, let's go back here. Okay, 2 more nuts. Bolts, I should say. That one should be good. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There's one there. Come over here, we'll grab this one. Right here. There we go. Okay, sweet. We have all 4 bolts out. Now it should be pretty simple. We're just going to lift this seat and out it comes. Okay, let's get this seat. All right, 1 seat coming out. Arr, arr. Now, let's get our brackets installed. All right, so we have our brackets laid out. So this is the seat. I'm going to go up with the 2. I want maximum distance back. So I'm going to go right here. Same way with this one. Put those on the back side right there. Take our bolt. We'll get it started there. Kind of hold it in place. I said we're going to hold it in place. Seriously? Will this damn thing even fit? Those don't seem like they're the right ones. Maybe they're right for this one. Maybe that's what it is. These here must go on the back side. And the factory ones bring it down. So we'll grab our factory ones, second hole. We'll see how this works. Yeah, that's probably a little bit better. All right, we got those things in, those connectors. Let's grab our chair. See if we can't place it inside here. Let's see if we can get this now. So we know we pushed our seat all the way up earlier. It's like one there. There's one. Pick that up. Then over here, let's see, we're a little off, so looks like that's about right. Give it a nudge. And fill some threads. Sort of. I don't want to tighten them down just yet, but I do want to get them a little snug. Now we can move our seat back. Well, maybe I'm going to have to get in there and do that. There we go. I think that's all the way back. So here's that bracket. So see if we can't. There it is. Right there, we'll put one in. Right there. That's going to be tricky because I don't have any way to see what I'm doing here. All right, we'll get this one now tightened up. All right, nice and tight. Let's move this seat forward, and we'll get those back ones tightened down. Okay, a little lever. Push it forward. Kick that back. Let's do the back now. We'll just get these down. All right. Yeah, let's see how we did. All right, seat goes back. Feels like it's in there pretty solid. Okay, let's get in this. Hopefully the last time. Grab that little knob there. Now let's see. Much better. Look at that. I can still reach the pedals. This is much more better. Oh, yes. All right, well, guys, don't forget, hats are available. Links down below, shirts as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. We are getting so close. Remember, Firebird Fest, May 19th in St. Louis. We're going to try to be there in the 67 Firebird. Hope you'll make it too. There's also a link down below for where you can register and join us. Guys, I guess until next Friday, have a good one. Be safe, and we'll see you next Firebird Friday.